Hey guys, it's me again. This is your second lesson of ICT this week, and this week we are again working on Scratch and we're working on a new project, so I hope you're as excited as I am. All right, so what are we going to do? Please make sure you follow the instructions so you can produce whatever is asked of you, so you can then record a video and submit it on Dojo. All right, let's get to it. So, thing number one that you have to do is go on Scratch. So click on Scratch, Google it, make sure you are logged in. I'm automatically logged into my account. Now guys, you need to, for some reason it's showing like this, so just click on Ideas and then choose a tutorial. And we are going to work on creating animations that talk, which is going to be very interesting. All right, guys, as usual, you have an intro video that you can watch. It's really nice. It's short and nice, so I think you should definitely watch it. After that, we will start coding. All right, add the text-to-speech block. So I'm gonna do that. So I clicked on that icon and then text-to-speech. So these blocks will appear here on the left, okay? All right, then say something when this sprite is clicked. So events when this sprite is clicked, and then speak hello. You need to go back to that panel with text speech. So speak let's go. So I'm gonna say let's go. All right, so let's click on the sprite and see if it works. Yes, very good. Set a voice. Okay, we can change the voice. Set voice to squeak. Okay, now it's squeaky. All right, move around. So at the same time as speaking, we're going to be moving around to random position. So that's motion, glide 1 second to, whoops, where did that go? Okay, sorry. To random position. So okay, perfect. Then add a backdrop. Guys, backdrop is a background. So you will find that icon here. Choose a backdrop. And what was the one that they were actually showing us? Nebula. Okay, so backdrop, and we're gonna search for nebula. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna add that. All right. So add a backdrop, add another character, which is a sprite. So they want us to choose dot, which is like a space dog, I think. Dot. All right. So we have the dot there. Perform a song. Okay. But they wanted us to add dot, so I'm not sure why the robot is showing. So I'm going to remove dot this way. And I'm going to add the robot. Robot. Yes. Okay, so when this sprite clicked, start sound hip hop. Okay, so when this sprite clicked, start sound hip hop. It doesn't give me the option to start sound hip hop. Okay, we will choose a different one. Let's choose computer beep. Okay, and then speak. So speak, I am robot. I am a robot. Then speak again. I like to dance. I like to dance. And speak beep boop beep beep boop bop. Speak beep, boop, bop. Okay, so let's click and see. Okay, nice one. Then change color. Okay, so we are going to add a dinosaur. So dinosaur, this is dinosaur 2. Change color. So when this sprite is clicked, set voice to squeak. So voice squeak. Change color. That will be in sound. Change. Okay, so that's in sound. Change. No. That's the wrong one. Delete block. Change color. Where is that? No, that'll be in looks. Change color. Very good. So looks, guys. Change color effect by 25 and then speak. Whoa, look at me. And then speak. Whoa. Look at me. Okay, let's click. Okay, nice one. Next, spin around. Okay, so we're gonna add the rooster. Okay, so we have the rooster there. And when the green flag is clicked, and then control forever, turn 15 degrees. Motion, turn 15 degrees. And when this sprite is clicked, speak, I'm so dizzy. Speak, I'm so dizzy. Okay, so let's go. Okay, next, grow and shrink. So that's a bat. Bat. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. When this sprite clicked, set voice to squeak. Change size by 10. No, 100. Change size by 100. Sorry. And then speak, flying is fun. Flying, oops. Flying is fun. Okay, and then change size by -100. -100. Okay, so let's click, sorry, the bat. Okay. And that's it. So guys, at the end, when you've actually managed to do all of them, you need to just record a video of what they're doing. So okay, remember the rooster was green flag. Oh, it's still, so the rooster is green flag and click. And then we have the bat. So 5 different characters. Okay, so you've actually managed to do an animation again. Okay. All right, brilliant, guys. I hope this is easy and I hope you will enjoy it. And I'm looking forward to seeing your videos on Class Dojo. Have fun!